right, 8th grade math, let's continue. We're going to complete the guided practice portion of this. Our first equation is y equals 2x plus 5. So once again, we're going to substitute these numbers here for x. And then we're going to add 5. So we start off 2 times negative 2 plus 5. Then 2 times negative 1 plus 5. Then 2 times 0 plus 5. Then 2 times 1 plus 5. And finally 2 times 2 plus 5. So once we get this done, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Two times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 5 is 3. Two times 0 is 0, plus 5 is 5. So if you'll notice, it's increasing by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 5 is 7. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. So all of these y values are increasing by 2 each time. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Let's go on to number 2. Y equals 3 over 8x plus 5. And the numbers they use are 8, 0, and 8. Okay? So again, 3 over 8 times 8 over 1. Because remember, we're multiplying a fraction. And when we multiply fractions, we can factor out a number. In this case, we're going to factor out an 8. 3 times 1 is 3. So it's going to be 3 plus 5, which is going to be 8. Oh, excuse me. We have a negative here. So it's going to be 3 over, it was 3. So it's going to be negative 3. Negative 3 plus 5 is going to be 2. Sorry. So negative 3 plus 5 is 2. Now it's 3 over 8 times 0, which is going to be 0, plus 5, which is going to be 5. Now we'll get into the 3 over 8 times 8 over 1. This time we don't have the negative sign. So that's going to be 3 plus 5, which is 8. So you have negative 8, 2, 0, 5, 8, and 8. Now, number 3 and number 4. Explain why each relationship is not proportional. First, calculate y divided by x for the values in the table. Okay. Well, first of all, you can't divide a number by 0. So, right away, that nullifies it. But this isn't starting off at 0, 0. So, if I'm going to calculate y over x, this is Not possible. Okay? So I'm going to use a calculator. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. 3 divided by 0. Error, divide by 0. You can't. Any calculator in the land you'll use, you'll get the same thing. Okay?
I can learn to understand you much better if I can get familiar with the way you talk. I need your permission to help.
Sorry about that, guys. Now, 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. 11 divided by 4